Hey guys, welcome back to the Barndo channel. This is Charlie Downs with 1845 Barndominiums. We're here today in New Summerfield, Texas, out near Lake Striker, to bring you a walkthrough tour of one of our floor plans that is a buoy floor plan. It's been modified just a little bit. Basically, the only real changes that we've done is we've kind of flipped this floor plan around to match what our customer needed here. There is an existing structure that was already here on this property that we wanted to take that buoy floor plan and tie into, so we flipped the floor plan for them to make that happen. We're roughly 1,664, I believe, square feet. We've got a 24 by 24 carport that is connecting the house to the existing structure over here. And we've got 6-foot front porch that has a crow's foot gable, and then we've got a 10-foot back patio. You'll see as we look around the exterior of the house, we've got a rustic red exterior with black trim and a black roof. And then we've got white vinyl windows all the way around that you'll see those are trimmed out also in black. So it's a really, really cool color combination. We did a really good job of matching that with the existing structure. So the homeowner was really pleased with that. So in most of our homes, we have a lot of trades that we use that are kind of the same guys that we use on every one of our builds. We wanted to kind of give a shout out today. Today's episode is brought to you by Ben Wilson Plumbing. He's out of Longview, Texas. He's done the plumbing here for this particular home and does a lot of plumbing for us at 1845 Barndominium. So we kind of want to give him a shout out and let him know that we appreciate what he does for us. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, go ahead and do that now. We would love to hear from you guys in the question or comment area below. You can check us out on our TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. You can use 1845 Barndominiums for those. And then, of course, our website, 1845barndominiums.com. You can look at the buoy floor plan like you see here and several other floor plans. Or if you'd like to know how to get the process started with making your dream home a reality with 1845 Barndominiums, you can check out our website, send us some information, and we can talk to you about how to get that process started. Let's head inside and show you. We're done with sheetrock here. We're working on trim and getting ready for paint and cabinets. Let's head inside and give you a quick tour of the buoy Barndominium. All right, guys, so let's head in the front door here and show you guys this modified buoy floor plan. So there are a couple of really cool features about this floor plan. It looks similar to a Laredo floor plan, but there are just a few little kind of details, intricacies that make it just a little bit different. We do have our living area here. I'm standing right by the front door. You can see on the back side of the house here, we have our living area. I'm standing in the kitchen area. You can see our wiring and everything for the island there. And we'll have appliances around here. I'll show you this view from the living room in just a second. We have our laundry mud room over here with our pantry. We'll show you that kind of towards the end of the video. We'll make our way over there. But one thing about this floor plan is we do have a designated dining area here right off the kitchen. So we do have a nook set aside over here in the floor plan for if you want it to be a breakfast area. You could put a full dining table in there. It is big enough to put a full dining setup over there. Now, like we talked before, this is a 3-bedroom, 2 full bath floor plan. We have a 10-foot porch off the back side there. You can see the door there to the porch that we'll go out on a little bit later. A lot of 3050 vinyl windows that are white exterior, white interior. And then we're going to head over here now and show you the 2-bedroom side of the floor plan. So right in the middle, we don't have electric hooked up here yet, and I don't have a light, so I'm going to do the best I can here for you. We've got a full setup in here with a single vanity and toilet. Our vanity will be right inside the door there. Our toilet area not enclosed, will be open. And then we've got a tub that's already been installed. We will have cultured marble surround. We'll take cultured marble sheets and surround and fit that out a little bit later. So if we come to the back here, I'm going to show you bedroom number 3. Now, I believe this is going to be used more kind of as an office space, because when I'm going to pan around here, you'll see that we do not have a closet space in here. So I believe this is going to be used more of an office or craft room. Got a 3050 vinyl window there that's letting light in. And as we step back out in the hallway, we've got our mechanical room here. We've got our HVAC right here. I'm going to open this door and show you. So we've got it prepped and ready. We've got everything ready for our HVAC unit to be installed there. And then we're going to go over here to bedroom 2. Now this one is going to be utilized as a spare bedroom. Got another 3050 window there. You can see we do have some of the trim done. We're not completely done with trim yet. We're getting ready to finish that up and do some painting and have our cabinets installed. But we do have closet space built in here. And we've already got some shelving ready for hanging rods in this closet. That's kind of a standard. I believe that's going to be a 5x3 standard closet size built in there. And then this is going to take us back out into the living area. We do have a couple of floor plugs in the living area here. When we do those, obviously they are poured in the concrete, so it's important that we get those correct. And so we try to go over that with the homeowner, telling us specifically, you know, where you want those floor plugs so that we get that correct. Now I'm in the living room now, and I'm kind of showing you the view back to the front of the house where the kitchen area is. So we will have island here. And then if I've got this correct, we will see refrigerator here. We've got our ventilation system there ready for our vent hood, where our oven range is going to be with our gas stub out there. And then we've got a 3036 vinyl window there that's going to have our kitchen sink and our dishwasher. And then we'll have cabinetry over here towards our front door. We do have a vaulted living area and kitchen area. Everywhere else we have 9-foot ceilings throughout the floor plan. Now when we head over here to the master suite, we do have some of that trim work done in here. We have two 3050 windows here, 9-foot tall ceilings. And so if I kind of pan around here, I'm going to back over to this side and show you kind of the setup. So we've got our bathroom here, and that bathroom we do have, you can see we have a full walkthrough back into the laundry room there. That's becoming more and more common in these designs. And then we have our closet area here. Going to open up. Again, we don't have electricity, so I'm going to give you as much of a look at it as I can. We've done a really good job with a lot of what I call cubbies, a lot of built-in cubbies here in the center. So a lot of storage built in there. And then if you can see, we've got upper and lower shelving, which is ready for hanging rods on both sides. So that's going to be a lot of storage space in that master closet there. I'm going to go around here into the master bath. So we're going to have a single vanity right here as you step in. So one single vanity there with cabinetry. And then we're going to come over here. Now this bathroom will have an enclosed toilet room or water room. You can see we've got it enclosed there. We've got a pocket door built in there. And then I'm going to step around and show you the cultured marble walk-in shower that we have here. I'm going to kind of get out of the way here. So we've got white with gray. We do have a recessed pan in that shower. And we have a pony wall here. And we will see if they're going to wind up putting glass there, what the finished product will look like when we come back later. But that is a full cultured marble surround and floor. I believe we've got 7 to 8 foot tall sheets there of cultured marble with standard shower head and valve built in there. And like we said, we go directly over into the laundry and mud room. So if I look to my right here, I've got the entrance over into the kitchen area. Now right off of that kitchen over here in the laundry mud room, you see that we do have a full-size pantry. And I'm going to back up and show you that we have a really nice barn door set up for that pantry area. And we've got a ton of shelving, almost floor to ceiling shelving, as tall as she can reach on our shelving all the way around. So a lot of dry storage there. You could even put appliances in there if we needed to. And then as we pan around, we've got space here for washer and dryer, extra fridge if we needed. Our washer and dryer are actually set up to go in the corner there by the back door. We've got our breaker box also there on the wall. 3036 window with a sink there. We've got a sink that's going to be here for a countertop, so we'll have a good amount of storage space. So I'm going to walk back into the living room just to talk to you guys about something real quick that I try to talk to customers when they come in and sit down in the office or we're talking over the phone. And I wanted to show you guys this. And you can see that we've got elevated plugs here for our TV. This is in the living room area. So we've got plugs all over the room. Of course, we've got our plugs and switches just like normal. I believe we also have this in the bedroom. We do. We have an elevated plug here. And what I wanted to talk to you guys about is one of the things that we try to get homeowners to do is once we're done with the wood framing phase, we want you to come in and mark where these switches, plugs, you know, where you want these, what's the ideal situation and placement for you. And we want you to do that with painter's tape and mark even down to your toilet paper holders and towel holders or anything like that, because we would like to put backer boards or backer plates behind there for you to mount with. So when you get ready to, let's say we're going to mount that TV over the top here, we want to know where that's going to be so that we can put some support back there, whether it's a 2x6 or whatever, so that when you're mounting that and you're screwing into the wall, you're not trying to find studs. No matter where you're at, you've got something to get a good grip and a good hold on that TV or anything else that we're mounting on the wall. So that's going to wrap us up. I'm going to take us now through the laundry room and take you out and show you the carport area and kind of how we tied it in. And then I'm going to give you a quick look at the back porch as well. So I'm walking out of the laundry room and out onto the carport area. So we have this existing structure here that we needed to tie into. This building has been here, and when the homeowner came in and met with us, they explained that they wanted us to tie in here as best as we possibly could. So we did a really good job here of taking the steel structure that we build, tying it in and connecting with a carport slash breezeway over into the main house here. This is a 24 by 24 carport. Got a beautiful breeze coming in underneath this right now, and it leads us, we actually did, we connected with a little bit of a sidewalk area. We tried to connect all under roof the porch with the carport area and put a 10-foot patio off the back for them to enjoy a beautiful view off the back side. So that's going to wrap up our tour for today. I hope you guys have enjoyed. Just wanted to show you a little bit of progress that we're making here. We will come back when this one is completely done and show you the completed tour of the Bowie Barndominium here out near Lake Striker. All right, guys, that's going to wrap up our tour today out here near Lake Striker in New Summerfield, Texas. We're taking a look at a Bowie Barndominium, one of our 1845 floor plans that we've come out and done some minor modifications. All we've really done is flip this thing over and get it prepared to attach to an existing structure that was already here on the property. You see rustic red with black trim, white vinyl windows, just all coming together really, really nicely. 3-bedroom, 2-bath, about 1,664 square foot with a 24 by 24 carport connecting to the existing structure, 6-foot gabled front porch, and a 10-foot back patio. This is going to be a really, really beautiful Barndo when we get done. And right now, again, we're trying to finish up with trim, get ready for cabinets and paint. We want to come back and show you guys the finished tour once this one's done. So stick with us. We're going to come back later and show you the finished product. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, go ahead and do that now. We'd love to hear from you in the question or comment area below. You can check us out on TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook. You can use 1845 Barndominiums for those. And then, of course, our website, 1845barndominiums.com. If you or anybody else you know is interested in getting the process started for possibly building your dream home with 1845 Barndominiums, we would love to talk to you about how to get that process started. Send us some information, check out our floor plans, and we would love to talk to you and set up a meeting to get everything started for you. Another shout out to Ben Wilson Plumbing today. This episode is brought to you by those guys out there in Longview. They've done a really good job here on this Bowie Barndominium, and we're thankful that they're working with 1845 Barndominiums. Check us out again next week. Thanks for joining us. See you guys next time.